Today we're going to be showing you a website that is going to pay you for other people's videos. In order to make money with today's method, you won't need a camera, you won't need any special skills or experience because all you really do is sign up and click the download button. You don't need to invest or advance any money, and it works worldwide. So it is available to everyone from all corners of the world. The best thing is that this has nothing to do with YouTube, which means you don't need any subscribers or whatsoever. You won't even need a YouTube account. And right now, you're probably very curious already. It's super easy, but you have to follow all the steps that we are going to be showing you in today's video if you want to make it work. Because there are so many people who already have or know about this platform, but there's always one common mistake that they make. And that's why they aren't successful with today's method. Then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish. Right now, we want you to be on PLR Minds, and to get to this website, you just need to type in plrminds.com. We've talked about PLR before, but to those who haven't seen that video and aren't familiar with what PLR means, well, PLR is a short term for private label right. This is the king of license available on the net, with so much benefits that go far beyond other types of license. The main benefits of this product with PLR is that you have the right to edit the content and brand it with your website URL or your name as the author. This is a really quick way to have your own products rather than creating from scratch. So basically, this is a video or any digital material that has this type of license, then you're free to pass it off as your own or sell it as your own. You are allowed to edit it as you desire. Take stuff out, add stuff in, and literally say that it's yours and it's completely legal and free. Pretty cool, right? That's why this has been our favorite food video lately, because it has been doing pretty good and it's been earning us some pretty decent money too. And that's exactly what we want for you as well. So right now, we're obviously on this website's video section, and everything that you are seeing on every screen right now, all these videos listed down, these are all free for download for selling for absolutely anything that you could ever imagine. Now, if you look at the left side and click on categories, you'll see millions and millions of categories listed down for you that you can look through and choose from whatever it is that you want to find. Then you'll see all of the free digital products that you can download, like ebooks, videos, graphics, softwares, site templates. There are even plugins. So literally anything. And they're obviously going to focus on videos. That's why we're in the video section right now. For our newcomers, where are you guys from? Would love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. So let's continue. The next thing that you'll want to do is sign up. And to do that, just click on join in the upper right, and once you click on that, you'll be brought over here. All you need to do is click free, and as you can see, we have access to free products for reselling, and that's over 700 products, new products coming every month that you will have access to, as well as your membership duration. It's for a lifetime, so it's really everything we need to earn successfully from this method. So once you choose free, click here to register for free, then that should take you to this page here. Just provide your email address and then confirm it, confirm you're not a robot, and hit next. Once you hit next, They're going to ask you to verify your email address, so make sure that you do that first. And that email should look just like that. If you don't find it in your main inbox, then look through your spam. It will be right there for sure. Just click on the link and that's gonna lead you right to this page. So go ahead, provide your first name, your last name, your username, then your password twice, and then hit next again. And as soon as you click on next, you should find yourself right into your dashboard. So just click on free videos right here, and as you can see, free video download. Marketing and instructional videos you can download for free. And if you ask us, this is already a great field of discussion because living in a time like this, in the middle of the pandemic, everybody is a little financially tight, and that's why we make these types of videos. But also, videos like this can actually be of great help to someone who set a goal or have someone to figure out their financial life. And what can be done? All the videos under this topic is just great. Go ahead and open up the file-upload.com, and as you can see, here the payment proof of this website. So this site surely pays people out. And because I don't want to waste any more of your time, go ahead and click start uploading files now. Then you're going to click on this tiny folder icon to start uploading. But of course, before that, we need a video. So let's go back to PLR Minds, and you are to choose your chosen video, hit download, and that downloads straight into your computer. And once that's downloaded, you can go back to the second website, click the folder icon, select your video file, and that should process this video download. You need a description, and you can easily grab one from PLR Minds website itself. The description that comes with a free video, just copy paste that. Once it's done downloading, you'll be given a link to that product of yours, and every time someone downloads that, you will get paid $7 every download. So make certain that you share this with all of your family and friends. All the forms you can possibly find, all of your social media accounts possible, and you'll be making $7 times 100 and even more, who knows, every single day on complete autopilot, just the way that we like it. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.